Ah, hello.
Hello.
What are they?
These are records for the farmer's market. I have a stall there.
Ah, you must be Billy. And you must be Billy's granddad.
Follow us, Joe. We'll show you the way.
Ah, you have lots of records.
Would you like to hear one?
Yes.
Okay, Billy, we'll play a record.
Hello, Joe. My name is Laura, and I'm Billy's mommy.
Ah, hello, Laura.
I need your help to set up Daisy's trailer.
Okay, let's go.
First, we have to set up the truck.
I help Mummy.
And I'll help too. Let's lift it up.
How to lift it up? It's so heavy. It's heavy.
No, Joe. We need a jack to lift it.
A jack?
Yeah.
My first delivery. Wait here. Aha! A jack. Ah, hello.
Hello, my name is Holly. I'm selling fruit and vegetables.
Ah, fruit and vegetables are really good for you. Like this apple. Ooh.
No, Joe, that is an apple. Eat it.
Right, cabbage.
Cabbage.
N-A-S. Hey, Billy, look at this. Achoo. Ugh. Aisling would love this bracelet. Can I buy this, please?
Yes, of course.
How much?
€10.
Okay.
Yeah, excellent.
Look! Who's that?
You.
That's me! Joe!
Thank you, Joe, for all your deliveries.
I've had a great day, but now it's time to go. Bye!
Bye.